Ricky, what are you doing? Ricky, are you done? Did you clog the toilet? How did the rug get all the way over here, Ricky? Can you put that away and flush the toilet? Put that away. Push hard. You gonna flush the toilet? Say bye. What do you say?
Peace.
You gonna flush? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, nothing.